Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unpublish a website immediately from Wix and Wix Studio, depending on which one you use. First I'm going to select the website, then I'm going to go to edit website, and for the sake of the demonstration I'm going to publish the website first, wait for a bit, and then go back to my dashboard. And now find the setting where I can actually unpublish the website, because I haven't done the SEO, I haven't connected the pages or the, let's say, sections, you haven't finished your checklist, the marketing, and you don't want to get false analytics whenever your website is not ready to be published. So you need to go to settings, and then you go to site domain and SEO, website settings. Site is published as of now, but we want to unpublish it, and it's going to appear a pop-up window where it says it won't be visible once you unpublish it, and that's what exactly we want. Before that, the website unpublishing was very easy to be done here from the site settings, but for some reason Wix Studio has removed this option, so now it's under settings and website settings. Now the website is unpublished. And that's it for today's very quick tutorial. Make sure to share and like and comment to make sure that everyone who needs this exact tutorial will find it easily. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I see the numbers of subscribers growing, and I'm really happy to see that my efforts are being noticed. And if you want to support me personally, you can check out my Wix Studio Foundations course, my other services, and also the templates that I have created. All useful links are always in the description of every single video. Thank you so much once again, and I wish you a lovely rest of the day. Bye!